Hi everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, today is Thursday. We are still in the topic of food, please. Okay, so take out your both books. First of all, take out your student book, buku teks. Turn to page 61. 61. Okay, so 61. Alright. Okay, so in this page you can see a pizza. You can see a pizza there. Okay, you can see a banana. Not a, okay. Many bananas, okay. You can see a bar of chocolate over there. You can see a glass of ice cream. And this is a pineapple. And what is that? Oh, it's biscuits, okay. Okay, biscuits. Okay, so that's it. That's all the food that you can find in the picture. Okay, and now we are going to read this. Okay, so this is about my favorite food. Okay, and this yang cikgu empat segi ni, okay, yang square rectangle ni ialah the prompt question. Soalan for you to answer, so you can do this afterwards. Okay, alright, so kita baca yang ini dulu. On my favorite pizza, okay, ataupun in my favorite salad, there is, okay, it's up to you, okay. Makanan apalah yang you like, okay, my favorite food. So pizza can, the things that you can put, any food that you want. Macam benda-benda kita boleh masuk macam buah, or mushroom, or salad, or tomato, okay. So look at here. There are, ingat kalau ni untuk benda boleh kira, contohnya tomatoes. So there are, okay. So there isn't untuk benda tak boleh kira, okay. Benda tak boleh kira, contohnya milk. Alright, there isn't milk, there isn't sugar, okay. Benda tak boleh kira, okay. Tak ada, isn't tak ada, there aren't tak ada, it's, okay. This kind of phrase will help you to do this, karangan. Alright, so let us read together this page. Okay, we are going to read this page together. Okay, ready? I love pizza. It's my favorite food. There isn't any cheese or tomato on my pizza. Oh, tak ada cheese Pizza dia special. No tomato, no cheese. There aren't any onions or peppers. There is some chocolate, some ice cream, some banana, and some pineapple. Oh, there are also some chocolate biscuits. It's delicious, okay? So macam pelik sikit lah, So this pizza, dia ada apa? Dia ada chocolate, and then got ice cream. Oh my god. Okay, chocolate ada, ice cream ada banana and pineapple, ada nanas, ada lagi biscuits. Oh my god, sedap kot agaknya, Okay. So one thing that you learn today is about the name of food, of course, and also we want to learn about commas and n. Okay, so dia kata we use commas and n dan n, comma dan n, and to write a list of things in a sentence. Okay, jom kita baca this one. This sample sentence with comma and n. There is some chocolate, comma, some ice cream, comma, some banana, tak ada comma, and some pineapple. Nampak? Dia guna apa kat situ? Dia ada comma, and full stop lah, of course. Okay, so this is what you are going to learn today. The first one is here, and this one, the second one is punctuation, tanda baca. Baik, so we look at page yang seterusnya. So this is your workbook. Ni buka workbook, okay, and this workbook page 48. Okay, so the first part is you are going to do this, yang atas ni. So you want to put comma or you want to put n. Alright, so kalau kat ujung at the end of the sentence, kita tahu kita kena letak n. Okay, kalau dia banyak lagi sampel, kita letak comma. Okay, so look at number 1. I'd like some milk, comma, pancakes and omelette for breakfast. Okay, so look at number 2. Ben's favorite fruit are pineapple, banana, and watermelon. Number 3, souvlaki comes from Greece. So there's no more kena guna and kat sini. And noodles come from China. Okay, next. I like chocolate cake and pineapple cake. Okay, so I think it's quite easy for the first part. Look at the second part. Okay, soalan dia ialah, mari kita baca. Okay, the instruction here. Okay, so dia kata tak jadi pula cikgu ada orang punya 4 segi. Sorry. This one. Tak jadi juga. Okay. So, what's your favorite pizza or salad? Draw and write. Use the prompts given in student's book on page 61, then present it to the class. Oh, dia kata nak buat pizza ke nak buat salad? So, up to you lah if you want to draw a pizza. Okay, so you draw a pizza. Okay, salah satu pizza bulat 4 segi bulat ni, and then pizza always have this, right, the divider. So maybe you can draw. Okay, so this is large, super large, extra large pizza. So what you want? Macam cerita tadi, remember not? Dia ada biskut coklat, some ice cream, banana, pineapple, all sorts of yang dia suka dalam pizza dia. But you can imagine what kind of pizza that you want. Maybe you want mushroom. Okay, then you draw what? Maybe you want to draw some onions, maybe. Okay, bawang, okay, chicken. Okay, so you draw whatever you want. After that, we are going to do this. Okay, you can draw either a pizza or you can draw a big bowl, mangkuk. Okay, and dalam tu ada sayur. This is a salad. Ada buah, maybe you want to draw. Okay, you can draw with fruit salad, or you can draw a bowl of vegetable salad. Okay, you can choose either you want to draw a pizza or a bowl of salad. Okay, but the most important part is down here. We are going to write today we are going to write sentences. Okay, so always look at your textbook. Tengok textbook. Okay, look at your textbook and look at the sentences about pizza there. So maybe you want to copy the sentences. Okay, contohnya, okay, for example, you look at down here. Okay, dia dah mula dah. On my favourite pizza ataupun in my favourite salad. So you can choose, boleh pilih. There, tu dia lah. So there is ke, there is some pineapples ke, there are some pineapples ke, Okay, so for today, I'm going to write here. Sekejap, I want to show you where I can write this. Okay, we go to this platform. This is Google Docs where I can write for you so you can see it. Okay. Contoh ya, contoh. So you can do on your own juga. Okay. So let us do together. Okay, jom kita buat. Okay, so Cikgu Adra, konon-konon I choose pizza. So I can write on my favorite pizza, okay, there is some onions. Boleh kira kan? So there is some, sorry, kalau boleh kira bukan is, kena guna okay, there are some onions and pineapples. Full stop. Okay, next. Tak ada. There isn't. Okay, there isn't any sugar. Cikgu tak letak gula dekat atas pizza. Okay, there isn't any sugar or milk ataupun susu on my pizza. Okay, pelik pula letak gula ataupun susu atas pizza. Okay, so next, ada apa lagi? So okay, now there is some what do you want to write? There is some salt. Ada sikit garam garam. Biar ada rasa. There is some salt and then some what else you want to write? Some olive oil. Ada letak minyak sikit, minyak zaitun. And kena guna and. So kadang kita belajar comma and then and. So you should put more than 2 lah. If you want to use comma, kena ada comma, kena ada 3 contoh at least. Satu benda, comma, another one, and. Okay, so macam ni lah. There is some salt, comma, some olive oil, and some sauce. Comma 2. Okay, comma 2 tu maknanya juga. Okay. Ada garam, olive oil, minyak zaitun and some sauce juga. Okay. So, kali ni cikgu nak guna banyak pula. So, benda boleh kira kan? So, there are also some, apa lagi yang ada kat atas pizza teacher? There are also some chicken and salad. Okay, sedapnya. So besides the words delicious, Cikgu Adura want to use this word. It's yummy. Oh, I'm going to use this. Okay, so let us read together again. On my favorite pizza, there are some onions and pineapples. There isn't any sugar or milk on my pizza. There is some salt, some olive oil and some sauce too. There are also some chicken and salad. It's yummy. So siaplah karangan teacher tentang pizza. Okay. So that's all for today. I hope you can do it. Good luck everyone. See you. Bye-bye.